Arrived in Phuket. Ay, baliktad. Phuket International Airport. Wow. So, ang mahal ng bus, I mean, ang mahal ng Grab, so magbabus na lang ako. So that, 640 kasi yung Grab. Medyo malayo kasi itong airport. Parang an hour and a half from Patong, which is like the busiest place here in Phuket. That's where I'll be staying, in a hostel again. Pero, wait lang, yung makingam, bigat ng gamit ka. Pagod, nag-minibus na lang ako, van. So 180 versus 640, I think that's a much better deal. I'd rather spend my money on food and experiences and all of that. So, kwento ko na lang how it goes. Super laki niyang hostel actually. So I just got to my hostel. I got the key. Tapos may pakulo na sila agad. So nag-spin ako ng something.
Alright, let's go!
No to game over.
Oh! Oh! Yay!
I want a smoothie. Yay! So ito yung room. 4322. Ayan. Yay. Thank God bottom bunk. So this is my stuff. So I think may kasama ako and all. So yeah. Love it. So the view is... Oop. Garden. Nice. Peaceful. Nice. So my pillow. My... what's this? Safe. Ayan, okay. Liit. Oh my God. Key card. Pillow, towel, blanket, and then yun stuff. Okay. Standard. Love na the aircon is on. Palagi. So they said I put the card here. Tama ba? So magpapalaundry muna ako. Naubusan na ako ng shorts. Ang init. Diyos ko, Lord, talaga. Hindi ko kaya ata mag-t-shirt dito. Anyways, I'm gonna go and have lunch. It's called Number 6 restaurant. Kaya sabi ko sumahan. Ano siya? Well known here in Phuket. Medyo nakalimutan ko na ano yung sinaserve na. Pero feel ko may local food. Yun. Very nice. So we're doing a pub crawl. So pub crawl para siyang inuman pero lilipat-lipat ka. So it's something arranged by the hostel. So I have a drink. It's a Long Island iced tea. Shout out to Lando, my friend there, my newfound friend. She bought this for me. It's very strong. So we have 3 more bars to go to. I forgot kung saan. They're around Patong Beach or like Bangla Road. you. And dessert. Yum. Let's see if it's really yum. Okay.